PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann with the Afternoon Weather Xtreme video for Friday the 13th. We're mobile today. You never know where this show comes from. Sitting in the back of a mobile weather center. Let's go right to some Skycam images today. Hey, you do them when you can, you know. There's a look at our Coleman camera back online, thanks to the Stratus Station crew and our engineers for getting that back online. That took a wicked lightning hit a couple of weeks ago, but it's back in service now. The sky mostly cloudy. Same deal down in Chilton County. In fact, notice some raindrops on the lens at our camera there in downtown Clanton. We're looking off to the north. And the Inverness camera back in service. Got a few of the ones back online today that have been out, and the sky mostly cloudy. And down below you can see traffic on U.S. Highway 280. Water vapor satellite imagery. You know the story. A trough over the east. And coming around the backside and the base of that trough, occasional shortwave energy aiding in the formation of showers and storms. There's a look at our radar as of 2:30 this afternoon. A few popcorn showers, if you will, over the state. Pretty widely separated right now. We had some more organized rain earlier in the day. But off to the west, boy, look at that. A big batch of rain rolling into western Mississippi, producing heavy rain from the Delta all the way down to near Vicksburg. And that's coming on east. We'll keep an eye on that. That might make it into West Alabama later this evening. There's a look at the storm total rain since midnight coming off the Birmingham NextRad. This is suggesting the heaviest rain up in the northwestern part of the state in a broad band from near Sulligent down to about Jasper. Pretty decent rains over parts of the northern half of the Birmingham metro today as well. And on the convective outlook, there is a slight risk in advance of that big MCS to the west over parts of north Louisiana and western Mississippi, but no organized severe weather threat here. And on the QPF map, expected rain for the next 5 days. And boy, what a bullseye off to the west. That's suggesting rainfall amounts of 6 to 7 inches over eastern Texas and western Louisiana. And around here, rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches, with the heavier totals down across the southern part of the state, the lighter amounts on the far eastern side of the state. Let's roll with a computer model output. This is valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow, 1 o'clock Saturday. Heat ridge over the west, a trough over the east. And at the surface, the GFS still trying to suggest that northeastern corner of the state getting into dry air but moist air elsewhere. So that looks like scattered showers and storms. And an almost identical deal on Sunday. Cloudy at times with scattered showers and storms. Of course, the better chance most likely during the afternoon. But if a short wave comes through, you could see some late night or early morning showers. But not a total washout. Going to next week, there's a look at Monday. Same thing, moist air in place. Tuesday, hey, more of the same. You can get the idea. The forecast just is not going to change all that much for the next 4 or 5 days. Warm and muggy with a chance of scattered showers and storms. Wednesday, the upper airflow begins to drift a little farther to the north. The 594 ridge begins to build in from the Atlantic over toward the Atlantic coast. But at the surface, no net change there. Pretty much the same story. And Thursday of next week, the 19th, partly sunny, a few spots getting an afternoon storm, just pretty much your persistence forecast. So let's go in the future of Voodoo Country. Valid the 24th of July. Boy, look at the trough out west. That upper low around San Francisco looks interesting. Trough over the northeast, but we are in pretty high heights around here, and that looks fairly soupy for the air mass. But again, that would suggest nothing out of the ordinary. And at the end of this forecast period, on the 29th of July, same deal. Westerlies up on the Canadian border, scattered afternoon showers and storms. Sure get the idea. The weather for the rest of this month will feature some pretty normal-type weather conditions. That is it for the Afternoon Weather Xtreme video today. Thanks for watching. The next video I will do will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters will have the video updates this weekend. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.